Casually cutting the airbags. You should take this off because I'm assuming that if there's one last bolt underneath it, you'll be able to get to it under there, but you're not going to be able to get this black cover piece off without taking the gauge cluster off. That one's stuck. I gotta go up north to look at a house real quick, and then I can take this thing up. I have to keep this on because if I disconnect this, the heater is on all the time. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Alright guys, car's still not back, but I got the seat and the harnesses, so I'm gonna take them out. These are both Braum seats and belts. Has a little sticker, and I got a box in a box. Nice bag. Harnesses. Right on. Look at that. I love this color. Like, this is perfect. That should work. I really like this, can't think of the friggin' word.
Release?
I really like this release. I had one similar in my other car, but it was super sensitive. This one you actually need to pull pretty high up for it to release. So, let's get to this.
Howdy, Joe. Hi. They want to come inside.
No.
No.
We're busy. Bolt's afraid of boxes, so.
That's true.
Please note, adapter located at bottom.
Sandwiched between two pieces of cardboard.
Right.
That might be it.
No, the bottom.
Okay.
This side up. Oh my. I could bury you in this.
Let's not.
Oops, excuse me.
Ooh, more stickers.
Goodness gracious. Look at that. That's really nice.
Initial thoughts?
Feels a lot nicer than I was expecting. It's kind of hard to tell in the pictures. It said leatherettes or...
Do you fit?
I forgot what size I got.
There's sizes?
Yeah, I think I got a medium.
Well, let's hope you're a medium.
I don't remember. That's perfect. Because like, there's barely any room.
You look a little squished.
What's the point? It's weird, like, I can't imagine really going sideways with these. Just because my other one wrapped around. But I guess I'll be tightened, I don't know. You know what I mean? And I think I'll also be like this too. Back a little.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I'm impressed.
But wait, there's more. How the heck am I?
Wow.
What's that?
It's the bracket to mount it to the car. Yeah, that's it.
Pretty nice.
We originally planned on ending this video by installing the Braum seats into the 350Z. However, that's still not back from the shop yet. And it's been 5 weeks. So instead, here's some clips of us goofing off. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment some product ideas down below. See you next Thursday. Peace out, Perucci gang.
Get in the bag!
Or else, what else would be funny is to like fill it with stuff to make it look like there's a body and just start dragging it. Yes.
All right, we're taking him out to kill him, guys.